I'm Robert Tafaletu. I'm the Degree Learning Advisor for Waiariki Lohe.
My name is Leah Gage and I'm a Student Support Advisor. I have been with Te Wānanga Aotearoa for 3 years now. It's about relationships, it's whanaungatanga. That's the difference. In lots of cases we have whakapapa connections with people, we know the whānau, we're able to be there and we take an interest, we're interested. It's really awesome when you see them from the start, how they were at the start and how they are at the end.
And that's your monthly income after all of that gone out?
It's amazing. Like you see it and you think, wow. And you take your head off to them. Be prepared for anything. It's full of surprises.